Alright, today's goal is remove this. It's a nice thing, but when you get to be cooking, you're going to want wire racks, and that's got to come down. We have a light here. We're going to reroute the power to the center up here, and have our fluorescent lighting. All this ceiling stuff is going to come down too. So we got to make sure we have our supplies, which is of course going to be trusty super saw, and plenty of beer. Start on one right now. All right, I managed to remove it without any major damage to the surrounding walls. And I picked up some free shelving at the Restore store. That's a Habitat for Humanity thing. Just free. Tons of shelving. More than I know what to do with.
1-800-79 Toyota for lease details. See participating dealers for APR details. Cashback from Toyota Motor Sales USA Inc. Offers may vary by region. Offers end 9/30 only. Hi, welcome to TD Bank North, the home of hassle-free lending.
Yeah, I want a home equity line, but only if the rate's low.
Got the beams in. Going to drill holes through it to get the AC to go through, to splice up to those cables which go to the rest of the place. I've got a USB cable to route through here. There's going to be a camera on the front deck, and of course all that computer stuff eventually gets wired back here. Right over here will be a desk, so I can, and over here will be a couch or settee / bed, so I can monitor stuff from in here when I'm watching TV and getting drunk. Alrighty, got the electricity hooked up, so now my right side, including the dirt dauber's nest in the bathroom, is all hooked up. But anyway, my right side outlets and lighting is all hooked up.
Traveled on at least one occasion. Linnaeus named.
Finally, senators differed with Bernanke and Paulson.
Alright, got the left side kind of shored up. Roof leaks done.